Today we have a 1955 Chevrolet BelAir. Really nice car. Straight down both sides. We're going to take a look at it today. Take a look at the interior first. All the interior's in really good shape. Get the key here. Take a look in the trunk. Take a look at the back seat. All in real good shape. Carpet in the back. Take a look at the door. All in good shape. Get the trunk open here. Take a look inside the trunk. It's all in real good shape. Underneath the mat's in good shape as well. You can see it's all in real good shape. Tuck that back in there. Shut this. He's going to start it up for us. Take a look at the driver's side of the interior. Cut it off here. Take a look underneath the hood. He's gonna help us get the hood open. Greg is. There we go. Take a look underneath the hood. It's got a 350 Chevrolet with power steering and power disc brakes. Take a look real good underneath the hood here. A little bit of water there where we just washed it. You can see under the hood. See how clean it is and painted. Just a really nice overall car. Hood shuts easy, doors shut good, body lines are straight. Now we're gonna take her for a test drive. Here we go, we're gonna go for a test drive. '55 Chevrolet BelAir, Central Kentucky Classic Cars. Here we go. head back to the dealership. Show it to you downshifting. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. This will conclude our test drive. Now we're going to show you underneath the car.